Ever wonder how to get rid of those pesky little filler words that we all use? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Hi, this is Elaine Witt, Speakers Training Center. Have you seen a video of yourself following a speech and been kind of embarrassed or frustrated by hearing all those annoying little filler words that seem to be connecting all your sentences? Well, I have a simple 3-step plan that can help you overcome this important bad habit. And it won't even involve, ouch, snapping your wrist with a rubber band. The first step is to acknowledge the fact that you have a problem with filler words, and it sounds like you've already arrived there. The second step is to identify which of the filler words you're most likely to use. The most common, of course, are and Neither of them very pretty, but some people find that they use so, and, well, you know, and like. You may even come up with your own special word that you drop into sentences far too frequently. Either way, the key is to find it and eliminate it. Now you may be wondering, what's the audience thinking as a word appears over and over in a speech? Well, initially, they'll sort of overlook it and consider it kind of a minor annoyance. But used too frequently, your speech can actually degenerate to the point where the audience will reject your message. And that's bad news. Filler words, used once in a while, can actually make a speech feel a little more casual or comfortable to the audience. But if they pop up too often, they start making some pretty awful assumptions about you as a speaker. They assume that you are unprepared and overly anxious. Both of those will erode your credibility. So, knowing that, you have to look at the third step. How do you get rid of this bad habit? Well, the technique here is actually so simple, but it takes a little bit of practice. Find yourself an imaginary audience and take some material that you're used to presenting. Give the first sentence and allow yourself to just stop at the end of the sentence as if there were a period right there, and then say nothing. Go to the second sentence and do the same, and say nothing. Your job is to become comfortable with silence. It may surprise you that the audience is totally fine with periodic little bursts of nothing. Just complete silence. Not so much with those pesky little filler words. So if you can learn to use sentences appropriately, end them with a clear period, and then periodically become comfortable with silence, you'll find that you have overcome this habit and you'll have more powerful and memorable speeches. And that's your professional speaking tip from the Speakers Training Center.